Okay, it's time to take a break from the Oklahoma heat. It is literally 102 today. I got a cool new product I'm gonna show you guys. You know, anytime I get anything that can help our off-grid journey, I'm gonna do it. And this is a big plus in the Oklahoma heat. Check this out. So I got the Ice Cove portable air conditioner, and it's been a lifesaver whenever the power went out. Let me show you some specs on this, and I'm gonna show you some footage of how I set it up temporarily in my bedroom when we lost the generator the other night. So it also comes with some USB ports, so you can charge your phone and anything else that runs off USB, and another charger right there. Has the light indicator of just how charged it is. I think it's like on 2 right now. Let's see. Let's hook it up real quick and I'll show you the functions. So you just set it right on top, you slide it in place, and to undo it, you just unlock that and it comes off. It comes with a drain on these portable air conditioners. You have to have, just like a regular air conditioner, you have to have a drain pipe. Push it in there for all the condensation. It has a blower that actually pushes all the hot air out of the room. Click it on just like that, and you can put this out your car window, your tent, your RV. And also you can actually put this into a jug if you didn't want to put this out the window. So that's one thing I've done in the past with air conditioners. When they have a drain pipe, I would put it right into like a 1-gallon water jug, then dump it. That way I wouldn't have to run it outside if I didn't want to. That's a great option for tents, RVing, putting in your car if you want to leave your animals in there for some reason while you're shopping or something. Just what I'm using for is emergency backup right now, and it has ran up to 6 hours of runtime. It's average between 4 and 6, so the most being 6. Like I said earlier, it became a lifesaver. Let me show you that footage real quick of me setting it up temporary in the bedroom, so at least the bedroom was cooled down during the night when we lost our generator power. Okay, I just turned the AC on. We don't have any power in the house for the regular AC. You can see how I have set this up, just a quick setup. Got the hot air going out, got the drain pipe going out. It is blowing cold air. Coming out at 61 degrees. It's saying I think it's 82 in the room. Yeah, 82 in the room. So I tested this out for probably like 2 weeks now, and I'm getting anywhere from 4 to 6 hours of runtime on a full charge. But you can see just how easy and convenient it is to set up. Super easy and lightweight. So the Ice Cove offers 2,500 BTUs of portable cooling, which is more than its competitors. Another cool feature about this, you can actually plug this into the wall if you just want to use it as a regular air conditioner, but also will offer 4 to 6 hours of cooling on a fully charged battery. That's why I love it. It uses quality materials, including a lithium iron phosphate battery for better battery life. Like I said earlier, it's quiet and offers the white noise to help you sleep. So if this is something you guys are interested in, if you guys want some portable AC on demand or emergency backup AC, this is one for you guys. It's been working great for us. You can hear it right now. It feels great. I gotta turn it off before it starts leaking in the floor. But I'll put links down below in the description box and a pinned comment. You guys check it out. If it's something you guys are into, click the links and get it on it.